The 2026 Ford Maverick just dropped. And if you look at the headlines, it looks like good news. The starting price is down, the colors are new, and the street truck Lobo trim is finally here. But if you dig into the actual order guide, you start to see a different story. Ford is pulling a classic move called decontenting. They are quietly removing features you used to get for free and charging you extra for them. Today, I am exposing the 5 secrets of the 2026 Maverick that the dealer definitely won't mention. Secret number 1. The price drop is an illusion. You might see ads saying the Maverick starts under $28,000 again. The truth? That price is for the gas-only EcoBoost with front-wheel drive. Remember last year when Ford forced you to buy all-wheel drive with the gas engine? Well, they reversed it. They brought back the cheaper FWD gas truck just to lower the advertised starting price. If you want the hybrid, which is the whole reason to buy this truck, you are still paying a premium. The base model is no longer the hybrid. It is the gas truck. Secret number 2 involves the Lariat and Tremor trims. These are the expensive models, costing over $40,000. In 2025, if you bought a Lariat, the power-sliding rear window was standard. It came with the truck. For 2026, it is gone. It is now an optional upgrade. Imagine paying $40 grand for a truck and having to manually slide the back window like it is 1995. This is how they increase profits without raising the sticker price. It gets worse. Secret number 3. Wireless charging. Check the specs. According to the order guides, wireless charging has been deleted from trims where it used to be available. They are slowly stripping away the little convenience features that made the Maverick feel premium. Secret number 4. The subscription screen. Now, the good news is that every 2026 Maverick gets the big 13-inch screen with Sync 4. It is huge, and it is fast. The catch? It comes with the Ford connectivity package. You get Google Maps, Alexa, and Wi-Fi, but only for 1 year. After 12 months, that beautiful screen turns into a billboard asking for a monthly subscription fee. Enjoy it while it lasts.
So, is the 2026 Maverick bad? No, it is still the best small truck you can buy. The hybrid gets 42 mpg, and the new orange Fury color looks amazing. But don't let the lower starting price fool you. By the time you add back the features they removed, you are paying more than ever. My advice? Check the window sticker carefully. Don't assume the Lariat has everything just because it is a Lariat. What do you think? Is Ford being smart or greedy? Let me know in the comments, and subscribe so you don't get ripped off on your next car.